بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم
أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم الحمد لله رب العالمين والصلاة والسلام على سيد المرسلين وعلى آله وأصحابه أجمعين ربي يسر ولا توسر وتمم بالخير اللهم علمنا ما ينفعنا وانفعنا بما علمتنا وزدنا علما رب اشرح لي صدري ويسر لي أمري واحلل عقدة من لساني يفقهوا قولي. One humble request before we start. Al-Qur'an Institute is a Quranic Da'wah and Educational Institute. We would like to reach many others like you, so your assistance will be greatly appreciated. If you benefit from our videos, please like, share, and subscribe our YouTube channel. Jazakallahu khairan. Let's start, inshallah. Welcome to Quranic Arabic Course Module 1 2025. We run Module 1, Module 2, Module 3 courses for beginners to advanced level Quranic Arabic students. To find out more how to join our online live classes, visit our website and register. Our website address is www.alquraninstitute.net. You can also join our most exciting online e-learning course in Quranic Arabic. No hustle, no rush. Study at your own pace and convenience. Our comprehensive Quranic Arabic Module 1 and Module 2 courses are available online, allowing you to complete the course on your own schedule. This self-study course offers a rich experience with PDF resources, YouTube video series, and question and answer assessment. Upon successful completion, you will receive a certificate directly from the e-learning platform of Al-Qur'an Institute. For more details, visit www.alquraninstitute.net. Alhamdulillah, your journey in Quranic Arabic starts here. This introductory video is for beginners before you start the course. May Allah make it easy for you, inshallah. The first topic covers some of the basic essentials for Quranic Arabic language, and they are short vowel, long vowel, sukun, tanween, waqf, shadda, and difference between ta marbuta and ta maftuha. It is important to ensure that everyone is familiar with them. First of all, let's get familiar with a few terminologies. In Arabic, these signs are called harakat. Depending on the harakat used, the meaning of the words and its role in the sentence is determined. These harakats are fatah, kasra, dhamma, and tanween. Harakat is also called in Arabic tashkil. In English, they are known as diacritic. Harakat, short vowel marks. The harakat, which literally means motions, they are the short vowel marks. There is some ambiguity about tanween if this is also a harakat or not, because tanween is a marker for both vowels and consonants, while short vowels are only used as vowels. Okay, let's start. First, we shall talk about short vowels. There are just 6 vowels in Arabic. 3 short vowels, a, e, u, and 3 long vowels, a, e, and u. Short vowels in Arabic are used in all 3 types of words, or in Arabic they are called kalima. The words are harf, fi'l, and ism. In English we have 5 vowels, a, e, I, o, u. But in Arabic we have 6 vowels, 3 short vowels and 3 long vowels. Short vowels make a short sound as a, e, u, which is indicated by their harakat with fatah, kasra, or dhamma. Here are some examples. When harakat fatah is used, the sound is like a. Example, ka, ba, ta. When harakat kasra is used, the sound is e. Examples, ki, bi, ti. When harakat dhamma is used, the sound is u. Examples: ku, bu, tu. Let's talk about sukun. Sukun is used to mark the absence of a vowel, and it means still or rest. It is represented by a small circle above the letter. Depending on the mushaf, sukun can appear in 3 different ways, as you can see on the slide. The examples of sukun are min, kul, kum. Let's talk about long vowels. Long vowels in Arabic are used in 2 types of words or kalima, and they are fi'il or ism. The long vowels in Arabic are a, I, U. They are written by using 3 of the letters in the Arabic alphabet. The letter alif is used in the long vowel a. The letter ya is used in the long vowel I. The letter waw is used in the long vowel wu. Long vowels stress upon a given vowel. Same thing exists in English. The word exceed should be stressed in the vowels E, or lose the stress on the U. The examples of long vowels: using dhamma followed by waw, rasulun, ghafurun, yunfiqun. Using fatah followed by an alif, qala, razaqna, kitabun. Using kasra followed by a ya, Ibrahim, Karimun, yuqimun. Let's look at tanween. The English word for tanween means nunation. Only ism or nouns get tanween. They are called fatha tanween, kasra tanween, or dhamma tanween, based on the haraka in the last letter. Tanween can only come at the end of the word. Nouns with tanween are also called heavy isms, and when tanween is replaced with single haraka, it becomes light ism. One instance when an ism with tanween becomes light, when al comes before the ism. For example, shamsun becomes ash-shamsu. Muslimun becomes al-muslimu. Alif is always added with fatha tanween at the end. For example, shamsin, shamsun, there is no alif at the end, but when it is fatha tanween, then it becomes shamsa. Generally, tanween is used to distinguish nouns from other parts of the speech and indicate that the noun with which it is used is indefinite. To make the noun definite, the tanween is removed and replaced by a single short vowel. Let's talk about waqf. The waqf means stop while reading the Quran. There are many rules and signs of stopping when reading Quran. We have shown only a few here. However, these are taught as a part of Tajweed class. What is relevant here for us is that you don't pronounce the last vowel when you recite. However, it is recommended to pronounce the last vowel for learning Quranic Arabic grammar that we shall be doing throughout this course, inshallah. Let's talk about shadda. Shadda is equivalent to writing the same letter twice. Shadda always will have a vowel mark accompanied with it. The first letter with shadda will have sukun, and the second letter will have fatah, dhamma, or kasra. Here are some examples. Rabb. There is no haraka on the shadda here. So with haraka, Rabb will become either Rabba or Rabbu or Rabbi. When it is Rabba, it becomes Rab, ba with sukun, and then last ba with fatah. Rabbu will have Rab with sukun on ba and dhamma on the last ba. Rabbi. Rab will have sukun on ba and kasra on the last letter ba. Similarly, massa, it's massa, massu, it's massu, then massi, it's massi. Adding shadda to a word may change the meaning completely. Here are some examples. Fahima means he understood. Fahama means he explained. Fahim means explain. It's an order. Let's look at the difference between ta marbuta and ta maftuha. Ta maftuha and ta marbuta, they look different, but there are some similarities here. Ta maftuha is open ta, and ta marbuta is closed ta. If you think about a bag, when it is tied up, it is closed. Ta maftuha looks like an open bag. Ta maftuha is always pronounced as ta regardless of any vowel. That is fatah, kasra, dhamma, or sukun or tanween. Examples: bint, bintun, bintan, bintin, al-binta, al-binti, al-bintu. Ta maftuha is used with singular nouns such as bait means house and ukht means sister. Ta maftuha is used with feminine plural nouns such as binat, girls, and muallimat, female teachers. Ta maftuha is also used with verbs as a feminine marker, like zahabat, she went, and katabat, she wrote, and as part of the verb such as mata, he died, sakata, he stopped talking. On the other hand, ta marbuta is pronounced as ha when we stop on it as waqf. In other words, it has a sukun on it. Ta marbuta with any vowel, that is fatah, kasra, dhamma, or sukun or tanween, it is pronounced in the same way as ta. Examples of ta marbuta sounding as ha: shajara, ash-shajara, that means tree. Tawila and at-tawila means tall. Here, ta marbuta is pronunciated as ha. Let's look at ta maftuha and some examples. Tawilatan, tawilatin, tawilatun, at-tawilata, at-tawilati, at-tawilatu. On these examples, ta marbuta is pronunciated as ta. Please note, ta marbuta is used as a feminine marker for proper nouns. I hope you found this video helpful. My request to you, please repeat watching this video a few more times.
Alhamdulillah, we have reached the end of this lesson. I hope you found it helpful. Please repeat watching this video a few more times and study the PDF file together. For reference, you may visit our over 60 YouTube video series for Module 1. Barakallahu fikum. Rabbana taqabbal minna innaka antas samiul alim. Ameen ya Rabbal Alamin.
One request before you go. Al-Qur'an Institute is a Quranic Da'wah and Educational Institute. We would like to reach others like you. So if you benefited from this video, please share with others, and most importantly, please subscribe our channel and like the videos. Don't forget to watch other video series on Quranic Arabic course. Barakallahu fikum. Rabbana taqabbal minna innaka antas samiul alim. Ameen ya Rabbal Alamin.
Subhanaka Allahumma wa bihamdik. Ashhadu an la ilaha illa anta. Astaghfiruka wa atubu ilayk.
We run Module 1, Module 2, Module 3 courses for beginners to advanced level Quranic Arabic students. To find out more how to join our online live classes, visit our website and register. Our website address is www.alquraninstitute.net. You can also join our most exciting online e-learning course in Quranic Arabic. No hustle, no rush. Study at your own pace and convenience. Our comprehensive Quranic Arabic Module 1 and Module 2 courses are available online, allowing you to complete the course on your own schedule. This self-study course offers a rich experience with PDF resources, YouTube video series, and question and answer assessment. Upon successful completion, you will receive a certificate directly from the e-learning platform of Al-Qur'an Institute. For more details, visit www.alquraninstitute.net.
alquranInstitute.net. Alhamdulillah, your journey in Quranic Arabic starts here.